afternoon, everyone. This is Cathy from Tetocom. Today, I will introduce our newest and cheapest 4G LTE POC radios model G69 in briefly. For the model, G69 has 3 colors: black, blue, and yellow, and the frequency band is bit 1, 3, 5, 8, and 34, 38, 39, 40, and 41. All of our models can be connected in each other once we set in the group in the same. Now this is 42 group. Let's change this model to 42 groups. 42 groups. Then they can be connected each other. Hello. Wait. Sorry, that's large the boy right the side kid. Hello. This is Cathy. Cathy speaking. 1, 2, 3.